Vegan Spaghetti Bolognese. Prepare the ingredients. Peel and cut the onion into quarters. Place the onion and garlic into a food processor. Add the mushrooms to the processor. Process to a crumbled texture. Place the tomatoes into a blender. Puree to a smooth sauce. Grate the zucchini. Grate the carrot. Chop the parsley. Pick the basil leaves from the stems. The ingredients are now prepared. Cook the spaghetti in a pot of boiling water. Add the mushrooms and onion to a hot frying pan. Cook over a high flame for 5 minutes. Pour in the tomato sauce. Add the tomato paste and stir through. Add the kidney beans. Stir through and cook for 5 minutes. Add the basil leaves and half of the parsley. Stir through. Simmer for a few minutes. Add the carrots and zucchini. Stir through and simmer for 5 minutes. Serve in a bowl topped with parsley.